Hi, this is the Teaching Summary and Professional Goals screen tutorial. On your Activities Database main menu, scroll down to the Evaluation section and click on the Teaching Summary and Professional Goals hot link, which will open the submenu. Most of you already have a 2014-15 activity record entered for you. I took your goals from last year and entered them into an activity for this year's evaluation so that you wouldn't have to repeat that process. However, you will need to go in and edit this activity to add in your commentary into the teaching summary piece and add any additional professional goals and updates to the goals that are already in there. So let's click on the edit icon, which is the pencil icon, to do that. If you don't have a 14-15 activity in the screen saved for you already, then that just means that I couldn't find the goals that you had set for yourself last year, or perhaps you hadn't set any goals from last year. If that's the case, then click on the Add a New item and you'll open a new screen. And either way, we will walk through this screen together. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your academic year is set to the 14-15 academic year, because that's the year that we're currently evaluating. And then you're going to walk through these questions, all of which are required in the teaching summary section. So you're just going to ask yourself these questions, summarize any effort you made in the course administration and education research, new course development, or any alterations of courses you already teach, and you're going to type your answer in here. This blue arrow gives you the ability to widen this box so that you can see all of your text. And as you can see, you can pull this around so that you can use as much space as you need to answer these questions. The limit to this box is 20,000 characters, so that gives you quite a bit of room to make any comments. You'll do that for each of the questions here, which are required, as you can see by the red asterisks. And then you'll go down to the professional goals section, where you either will add new goals if you've had none added here before, or you'll take a look at the goals that were uploaded from last year's evaluation, and you'll make any edits to those. You'll want to take a look at the goal brief description, make any changes to that you need to. The date that you set that goal, if this is a previously entered goal, should be probably left the same, but the completed by might need to be adjusted. Perhaps this goal you set last year and you thought you could accomplish it by this year, but extenuating circumstances occurred and you're going to have to set that date back. And so you can make any adjustments to the dates that you need to. Additionally, if you've completed that goal since it was set from last year, then you can also add in the date that you completed the goal. Keep in mind that you don't have to have the exact day if you don't remember that. You can just put in the month and the year. And then if there's any progress notes that you want to add about that goal, you have a text box here to write those in. Keep in mind again that not all of these fields are required. Only the description, the set date, and the completed by fields in these goal boxes are required. Also, you can add additional goals. So you choose however many goals that you would like to add. Typically, most faculty add between 3 to 5 goals each year for their evaluation. And you have the choice to add however many boxes that you need to. So I'm just going to add one more box to show you how that works. So I leave that at 1, I click the Add button, and it adds another goal box here for me. And then I'm just going to type in test goal number 2. And I'm going to set the date for that goal. July 1, 2015, and to be completed by June 30, 2017. Maybe it's a long-term goal. It might take me a couple years to get there. And then I just need to answer this last question. What university resources do you need in order to achieve your academic goals? This is a required question, so if you don't have any resources that you need, just type in the word none. Otherwise, please go ahead and list any resources that would help you reach your goals. And then click Save and Return. So now you have this activity already set up and ready for you for the 2014-15 year. This information will feed into your faculty evaluation report. But let's say it's the 2015-16 cycle of evaluation, and now you need to produce another activity for that 15-16 year regarding teaching summary and professional goals. You can actually just make a copy of this last year's entry by clicking on the copy icon. It's going to open up a new copy of the screen. You can change the academic year to the 15-16 year, and then you already have your teaching summary comments from last year. This might help you as you decide how you want to summarize for the 15-16 year. You may want to add on to what you said. You may want to comment or make reference to some of the things that happened over the year based off of some of the summaries that you had from last year. And then again, you also have the goals that you had set for last year. So you can go in and update, if you actually already completed this goal, you can put in the completion date of any of these goals, and you can also add a new goal for the new year. So I could add one more goal here for this new year, and set this date as July 1, 2016, and my completed by date as June 30, 2018. And then again, you're going to answer this question and then save and return. And so now I have the activity, teaching summary and professional goal activity set up for the 15-16 year. Now, if you would like to delete any of these and just start over again, how you do that is you just click on these check boxes, click that delete icon. If you don't want to delete both of them, then only choose checkbox, the one that you wanted to delete. Click the delete button, click OK, and it deletes those activities. So that explains how to complete the teaching summary and professional goals, which is a part of your evaluation process. If you have any questions regarding this screen or any of the other screens in Digital Measures, please give me a call or send me an email and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for viewing this tutorial.